2015 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. With less than 61,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, dual panel moonroof, wood grain trim, backup camera. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.